You may remember at the beginning, I was championing reflective practice and how important this is. As a teacher, this is one of the most important things that we can choose to do. This doesn't happen straight away. It won't happen by magic. It won't happen if we don't pay attention to it. And this is a skill and an approach to our teaching that makes a really big difference. So reflective practice is a regular process for teachers to reflect. So it's not just a thing that we do at the end of the year. It's not just a thing that we do at the end of the month. We're trying to practice doing this frequently, like a habit. And we're trying to think of practical ways to improve. So this is us as educators taking the time to stop and think deeply about what's going on. What am I choosing to do as a teacher? And how can I make that better? What do I see happening in my classroom? Slowing down and just thinking deeply about those choices and the impact those choices are having. Reflection and inquiry is not a one-time thing. It's a way of professional being, an attitude and a mindset. Ting ting. It's a mindset, the way that we go about doing something, the way that we think of ourselves as teachers. It does lots of good things. So it's a powerful habit. Reflective practice helps teachers recognize the impact of their actions, thoughts, and feelings, and how that has this ripple effect on our students and what we do. I want you to, across the course of this work, we're going to be improving our reflective practice. This is a key thing that we're going to try and get better at.